All right, so I got my shipment from One Up Nutrition, and I'm gonna share everything that I got. You guys can't see it right now, but it's over here. Sneak peek. But like as I mentioned, I always like to wait till they're having special promotions, especially because if you are gonna be getting the same thing, whether you're used to buying your protein, your aminos, then you just wait until they have promotions where they'll give you free things if you spend a certain amount, or if you get two of the same thing, then you'll get an added one for free. So it always ends up being beneficial. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Myself serious really quickly because I did my own highlights, and my mom saw me just recently. She's like, "What did you do to your hair?" You guys see that? I mean, I think they look awesome without having my professional mom do it, but she's gonna be fixing it. All right, so I was just unboxing this, and I'm very excited. As I mentioned, I always like to wait till they have special promotion. This time, it was the Frother. Super cute, adorable. I wanted this. I actually got this at Bed Bath & Beyond for $20. And then when I saw that they were giving this part of your shipment, I'm like, yes. So let's see what we got. Frother. And then I ended up getting their 10-pack promo, which is 10 samples for $10, especially if you use a code. So the ones that I ended up getting was their vegan chocolate protein. I haven't had that one. I like the vegan key lime avocado. I like it, but not enough to get a whole tub of it. Once in a while, it's just a good change of taste, flavor. Coconut ice cream, caramel mocha macchiato. Ooh, vegan banana bread, yeah. I'm making a lot of banana bread lately. Compare these two. I want to compare the vegan caramel macchiato and then just the normal caramel toffee macchiato. So these two will be compared, taste test. I get these also because these are perfect for on the go. I do always carry protein in the car, but I still like the pre-serving and just changes up the variation so you don't get bored. Also, with all the holidays coming up, I don't want to feel deprived with flavors. So let me have that. And I'll be using it with this to make some delicious lattes. I also ended up getting another one of their vegan BCAAs. This one is the raspberry lemonade, which I really like. It's not potent, it's not strong in flavor, or it's super sweet, which is why I really like it. I'm trying now is the mango lime. So I'm very excited about this. This is their BCAA's 2-1-1 ratio. I know usually people get 3-2-1. It's whatever works, whatever you're looking for. This also comes with glutamine though, and they have their essential amino acids as well. Love it. What flavor did we get? Birthday cake, yeah. I'm very excited about this. Last time I got the cinnamon crunch. The cinnamon crunch is their whey isolate, which comes with 25 grams per scoop. And then this one is whey concentrate, but it has also a bunch of aminos. This has 5 grams of carbs, which is usually higher. This one only has 1. It's a cleaner product. But I got it again for the hot days, just having fun with it. I'm adding it to my tofu pudding. I'm making chia seed pudding. It's more about just the flavor and enjoying and not feeling deprived. Of course, One Up always gives you some samples. Lean Max, Fat Burner, their Sleepy Aid. This is a serving is 2. I took 1 to get me back on the regimen after a long weekend. Wow, you feel it. Like, this is really good when you're dieting, because obviously you're not trying to eat a lot at night, and you take this as soon as you get home and you start to mellow out with some tea. This is really nice. Definitely helps. This is cute. I didn't realize you were gonna give me an actual mixer, and I got a mixer in my last one, so this is cool. Super cute. You guys know I love pink. I knew I ordered a bar. So this is the birthday cake bar. Birthday cake protein. Very excited. It's cold pressed protein bar, gluten-free, not baked, hence why cold pressed, micro batched. So that's pretty cool. I will let you know how this one tastes. It's 34 grams of carbs, so it's 250 calories. So this definitely is more on you're 2 hours away from the gym, but you don't want to eat something heavy. Or you know what, even for dessert. I would do this more for dessert. I actually am really excited about this mixer. Gotta figure this one out, but it should come out. Yeah, see? If you wanted to use this part, or else you can just leave it detached. But you put your protein in there, or your aminos, which is really good for me. Screw that on, and then you look like the real deal. Of course, let's see what else they gave me. Another one of their vegan sample, which I already have. Flavor. And this is cute. A little pop socket. See, guys, you guys get a bunch of free stuff with the purchase. So I'm going to tell you how much I paid for all this. Of course, they always personalize it. We got Vadim and John Hilton. I'll tag you guys. And they always thank you. They give you a little card. Leela, every day is gym day. You got this. It's true. Every day is gym day, guys. Every day is an active day. So, guys, again, I think it's an awesome chance to try a bunch of flavors. You don't have to get the protein. If you guys just want to get aminos, which I think are great for hydration, regardless. You want to just get that and then get their 10 sample kit. It's an amazing deal. And use a code. So, and especially with the holidays right now, they're going to have a lot of good deals. Definitely use my code and get that extra % off, okay? To summarize all this, I got amazing birthday cake bar. I got the protein powder, 2 pound. I got a shaker. I got a cute little pop socket that is going to match my phone because it's red. I have the new iPhone. It's not the SE 8. Love it. And then I had 1, 2, 3, 4... Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 serving of proteins. Half of them I chose vegan. And then I got 1 sample of their aminos. And I got their aminos. So all this, guys. And a frother. Dun, 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 dun. Drum roll. I bought this all for $83. And after you use my code... So, obviously, it was over $100. And with my code, it was $22 off. $22 off, guys. And I still am awed by this because this was $20 at Bed Bath & Beyond. So, I'm really excited. I got to put a battery in here. But, yeah, this is awesome, guys. And I'm looking for... I'm going to go to the gym right now. I'm going to put some of this in my mixer. And I think today I will try... I'm not feeling chocolatey right now. I think I'm going to try their key lime avocado after a workout. Thank you. And I try to take a picture and look all formal.